Someone advised me to keep the cream of the video for the end so that people don't drop off early. Let's see if that works. Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Neil Pickup has announced almost all of the super matches for his Arm Wars reality check event, which will be happening on 1st and 2nd October this year at the Arnold Classic UK Festival. The main event, as most of you guys already know, will be Sasha Andreev versus RVJ. I did a detailed video on that match, which you should watch after watching this video from the I button or the link in the description. Now let's quickly move on to the recently announced matches. Neil did a live stream today and it was jam-packed with vital information. In the lightweights, we have Tom Holland, Mindaugas Terrasitis, Yanis Amolins and Jeff Hale. Who will be facing who, that is yet to be announced, but we can expect a WL style battle royale between them. Almost all of them usually weigh around 80 kilos, Yanis being the lightest at 76 kilos. And most of these arm wrestlers already have a history with almost every other arm wrestler. Then we have the entire fixed crew on this card. Coach Ray's opponent has not been revealed yet, but I think it could be the Norwegian Frode Hogland because they are closely matched and they were supposed to pull last year before COVID cancelled everything. Ryan Bowen will be facing Stoica Bogdan from Romania. Stoica is primarily a top roller, but he also has an equally efficient fast shoulder press, and he looks really impressive in both these styles. But he tends to get stopped in a hook and he isn't very strong there. If Ryan can get this match in a hook, then it will be an easy match for him. Ryan Bowen is planning to be over 100 kilos for this match. He was first scheduled to pull Coach Ray, but Coach Ray would have given up a lot of weight in this match. Then Neil wanted him to pull Nicholas Nanestad, but they dropped that idea too. Neil mentioned that Nicholas Nanestad will be there to pull. His opponent is not known yet. Nice guy Paul Lynn will be facing Adrian O'Dwyer. Tall, 6'6" Irish guy, currently weighing 107 kilos. Competed at the 2004 Athens Olympics in the high jump event. He matches really well with Kyle Hutchinson, the guy who you watched against Khalid. He does these crazy heavy arm wrestling lifts and looks really impressive in the gym. But again, not much of super match data on him. He faced Devon Larratt in 2017. Obviously Devon pinned him with ease, so we cannot get much data from that match either. But he has Paul Lynn outweighed by at least a good 10 kilos. Would that be a factor in this match? We will have to wait to find out. Adrian also has a win over Ryan Bowen's opponent, Stoica Bogdan. Jonathan Thompson, aka Uncle John, will be facing David Bradford from Wales. These matches will be available for staking on stakings.com. Moving forward to the big news. Igor Mazurenko is currently in Georgia filming a video on Levan and Gennady Kukhviniya. After the continuous demands of arm wrestling fans for the Devon vs Levan match, Igor posted this on his social media a few days ago. It is our desire to bring the fans of arm fights the match everyone is talking about. Levan Saginashvili vs Devon Larratt. But what does the Georgian Hulk want? In an upcoming video, I travel to his home to ask the champion of PL himself what is his desire and who does he want to fight. And also in the comments below one of his posts, Igor said to someone that it is the right of the athlete to decide who he wants to pull, which I really doubt is the case with top 8 athletes because Levan wanted to pull Michael Todd, and then all of the top 8 guys had to read a script about why Michael Todd doesn't deserve a match with Levan. The Reddit arm wrestling group was absolutely furious on this post, and everyone was saying that it is once again time to see a scripted reply from Levan. Even though I really doubt it, but I still hope that Igor announces something positive this time, because Levan vs Chaffee is happening in a few months, and then the second stage of top 8 in December, and then the final stage. So it is pointless to expect anything till March or April next year, but in April or May, both Devon and Levan will be free and fresh to pull. This is the only time they can face each other. Meanwhile, before that, if Igor wants, he can ask Devon to pull Trubin or Vitali or anyone from the top 8 as a qualifying match to pull Levan. And finally, in today's news, Engin Terzi banned me for the second time, and this time from every social media platform that he exists on. Why? Because I said this in my last video about him. Engin Terzi was once trying to set up a match between, I don't remember who, but under Jeff Frank's comment on that post, I said to Jeff that you should try to get this match under your organization TAL if Engin is unable to do so. That is the important thing, if Engin is unable to do so. So even before Jeff got to read that comment, Engin deleted it and banned me from further posting anything in the group for some time. quoting that I was helping the other promoter to steal his match. That shows you the level of seriousness we are dealing with here. That's it guys, make sure you share your thoughts in the comment section before you close this video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.